Hello viewers, in this video we are going to learn how to make a custom Windows ISO. This could be useful if you want to install a very specific version of Windows or you guys are just looking to save some disk space. So by the end of this video, you guys will have a fair idea on how to make your own home-brewed custom version of Windows ISO. So without any further ado, let's begin. I have already downloaded the ISO, so I won't be downloading it again. The tool we would be using to customize the ISO today is the MSMG toolkit. Its link is in the description down below, so just head over and download it. After downloading it, you will realize that it is in the 7-zip format, so you would be requiring the 7-zip file manager to open the same. If you want to check whether your PC is 64-bit or 32-bit, just search for system information. As you can see, my system is 64-bit, so I have already installed the corresponding version. I'll now extract the contents of the ISO into the DVD folder inside the toolkit. Just double click start.cmd and we are good to go. Here comes the part where you would be choosing the version of Windows that you want to install on your system. There are plenty of these. For the purpose of this video, I will be using Windows 11 Pro N, so I'll just press 7 here. To apply the changes we have just made to the ISO, press 5. Now on to the final step, it is creating the ISO. Since we would be making an ISO for the purpose of this video, I'll just press 1 here. You are free to choose from any of the following options. Just head over to the ISO folder to find your own custom-made ISO. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and learned something new. If you did, consider subscribing, sharing and liking the video. I'll meet you in the next one.